Very good morning and warmly welcome to all of you. We were looking for tenses. Yesterday we have seen all the presents, all the kinds of present tenses. Okay. So today we'll talk about past. And yesterday we have started simple past, but today again I am going to explain about simple past. Okay, simple past. What about the simple past? In simple past, we have done something in the past. Something happened in the past. Okay, and we have given time also with this tense. Okay, sometimes we have given time, and sometimes we have to find out the time from context. Okay, so simple past means an action. Okay, an action that happened in the past. Okay, and report completed action. Okay, means with time adverb, we have given time adverb with simple past. Okay, so simple past means the sentence which we recount and narrate. Okay, narrative and recounted sentence given time adverb. Okay, like I called you last night. Okay, I called you last night. We met them 3 days ago. Okay, we met them 3 days ago. Okay, so like that we can make a simple past sentence. We closed our shop at 8 p.m. We closed our shop at 8 p.m. Okay, then I visited the Taj Mahal last year or 3 months ago, like that. Okay, so to indicate past habit. Okay, for indicating past habit also we are using simple past tense. And for repeated events. Okay, for repeated events that are now over. Repeated events that are now over, and past habits also shown by simple present. Like I always rode a bike to school when I was young. Okay, next, for showing habitualness. Okay, your habit of past you can show by simple past. Habit of past, we can show our habit of past, means the habitual past can be expressed by using simple past. So we can denote our habitual past. Okay, by used to. Okay, used to, we used to have fresh apple. Okay, we used to have fresh apple in our childhood days. Okay, she used to drink tea in the morning. She used to drink tea in the morning. Then my grandfather used to, okay, read a few chapter of Gita every day. My grandfather used to read a few chapters of Gita, okay, every day, like that. And sometimes in action we have not given time. Okay, we have not given time adverb, but we have to find out the concept from given context. Okay, from the context we can get time adverb. Okay, we can understand about time given, and we can turn our sentence in simple past. Like I learned Punjabi in Amritsar. I learned Punjabi in Chandigarh. So we have not given time, but when we had learned Punjabi in Chandigarh, so it was the time. It was a time span. It was a time limit. It was the particular time when we had learned Punjabi in Chandigarh. So like that we can find out that time. Okay, from where? From the context. Okay, like that. And second thing, to indicate another action which happened in the middle of a longer action. A shorter action, when a shorter action appeared, okay, with a longer action, so the shorter action will turn to simple past. Okay, so we have a theory to indicate another action which happened in the middle of a longer action. Okay, so the electricity went out while I was watching the television. Okay, the light went out while I was watching television. So in these cases, we can use simple past. What will be the structure of simple past? Subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Then how to turn it negative? Subject plus did not. We will keep helping verb did not. Subject plus did not, and your V2 turn to V1. V2 will be V1. Subject plus did not, V1 plus object. Then for making interrogative, we'll keep did before subject. Did plus subject, V1 plus object, and question mark, like that. So it was about simple past. We'll see past continuous. Okay, past continuous means continuity of past. Okay, something started in the past and something was running in the past. Okay, so for showing flow of past, we'll use past continuous tense. Okay, means an action that was completed before a definite time, or before another action, okay, took place in the past. Okay, an action that was completed before a definite time, okay, before another action took place in the past. Okay, so here we can use past perfect, but we were talking about the past continuous. Okay, past continuous means flow of past. If we talk about the flow of past, the continuity of past, we show by past continuous. Okay, so an action that was happening at the time of speaking. Okay, an action that was happening at some time in the past. Okay, and we have not given time of happening action. Okay, and here also we can use always, continually, same like we use in present continuous. We can use habit of persistent or undesirable habit. Okay, like continuously, always, and constantly. We can use here same persistent or undesirable habit in past continuous. Okay, so an action that was going on during a given period or at a period of time in the past. Okay, means we are talking about the event which was happening in the past. We are showing past flow of past. Okay, means continuity of past we can show by past continuous. So what will be the structure? The structure will be subject plus was were, V1 ing object. Subject plus was were, then fifth form of the verb. Okay, sorry, fourth form of the verb, ing form, fourth form of the verb plus object. Subject plus was were, V1 ing object. For negative, was not, were not. For interrogative, we'll keep the was and were, was or were before subject. In subject plus was were, V1 ing object. Okay. Number 2, subject plus was not, were not. Okay, V1 ing object. Then was were plus subject, V1 ing object. So like then we can easily deal past continuous. Okay, so past continuous, then what will be the structure of past perfect and past perfect continuous we'll talk about. Okay, in past perfect means the perfection of past. Okay, means we have done something in the past. Okay, means as I tell you that, okay, an action that was completed, okay, before a definite time. An action that was completed before a definite time, or before another action took place. Before another action took place in the past especially. Okay, means an action that was completed before a definite time. Okay, means there was a definite time, before the definite time the action completed. Okay, or before another action took place, okay, in the past. So you can call it a past perfect. Okay, in the, if we talk about the other things, so it indicate desire in the past and have not been fulfilled. Okay, past desire of past can be denoted by past perfect. Okay, so the condition, the situation that couldn't be fulfilled in the past also denotes past perfect. Okay, so past perfect means perfection, means something we have done, something we had done in past. Okay, so what will be the structure? Subject plus head, V3 plus object. Subject plus head, V3 plus object. Then negative. subject plus head not V3 plus object. Okay. And for interrogative, we'll keep head before the subject. Head plus subject, V3 plus object. Head plus subject, V3 plus object. Okay. So we'll see next concept in next video. Thank you.